Today we have to create a function that welcomes a person by name and by the city and state where they are from. What I want to use is a so-called f string, which is used as a template string, like this. And the only thing what we have to fill in are the so-called arguments, the name, the city, and the state. As you can see in the input, the city and state are strings. These can be put in the string immediately, but the name is a list. And that is something that we need to format. But let's start with the city and the state. Here we have the city Phoenix. That can be replaced by the argument city, like this. And the same applies to the state, Arizona. So let's replace that by state. If we replace John Smith by the actual argument name, it won't work out, but we'll see. There we have it. As you can see, it is an array. So what we need to do is to format it with the join method, like this, dot join. And what we need to do is to use a separator. Of course, we are dealing with just one list, but we want to separate the list into individual strings. So as the delimiter, we can use a white space like this. And this all together should be embraced by curly brackets. So not only the name, but the whole method. Like this. Let's have a look if this is exactly the same as the template string. And it is. So let's test it out. There we have our test string. Let's test it. Looks terrific. I hope this has been useful and I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao.